Are you interested in artificial intelligence and related programs? We've gotten to the point where it's already the foundation. Many specialists who want to develop their skills faster, more effectively, and efficiently must support themselves with appropriate programs. This helps them and the companies they represent. Discord's Midjourney 5.1 helped generate every single image in a minute based on a short, few-sentence description. In this way, amazing graphics in various versions were created, which a man alone would not be able to make, at least so quickly. The costs incurred and the execution time are much lower and more convenient. Yes, it is true that many of them still have bugs, but with current technological advances, this number will decrease quickly. Graphics. Images reveal a fantastic world full of magical characters such as dragons, dwarves, vampires, and werewolves from amazing events and places related to them. All this is based on the book Adventures of Borwar, descendant of the Atlantis clan, Volume I, which can be purchased in paper version and e-book in English and Polish, among others on the website of the Lukas Frankenstein.com publishing house from the Netherlands, Amazon, Google Books, or the Polish website Legimi. And here is the graphics generated by artificial intelligence for the book The Adventures of Borwar, AI.
How it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
How's it supposed to feel?
How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do, that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.